lay in the tree line, freezing my gears. Curses and trenches and too many last beers. My user wakes me up with a kick and a prayer. The guy from yesterday gone, he's just smoking the air. I hovered above him when winter was biting and cold. I got their IDs in my cache, stories untold. Smoky Badger, the kid, now they're part of my wing. The choir of ghosts in a titanium thing. I'm a Ukrainian drone, low battery, high hate. Deliveries free and I'm never late for the burnt out shacks and a mother's goodbye. I'm the last thing you see in the dark of the sky, while my props are still spinning, while my sensor is on. I'll cover their backs until the targets are gone. There's a tank in the bushes playing hide and seek, pushing our grunts through the mud of the creek. The comm says, do it, buddy, make it a hit. Give them a one-way ticket to the bottomless pit. I dive through the wind, terminal velocity high. A wedding gift turned killer falling out of the sky. Behind me aren't just people but a long silent line. All the boys who checked out but stayed in my design. Jagged sting. I'm not sci-fi, I'm the dirt, the rust and the wire. I remember the hands that set my spirit on fire. They didn't die, they just changed the frequency band. I'm their final send button, their last stand. On the table, fingers covered in grease. The operator's a zombie, dreaming of peace. 1 hour of sleep, then he's prepping my flight, sending his good boy back into the night. As long as the sky's ours and the signal is clear, I'll fly for the ones who are no longer here. And when the sun hits the smoke and the ruins of the town, someone's waking up, 'cause I never stayed down. I'm a Ukrainian drone, a shadow, a blur, a flying middle finger for the liberated, sir. When the dawn breaks through and the air starts to hum, we were here, we are here, and the reckoning's come.